the new Smartboard update, you'll notice a lock in the bottom left-hand corner. If you need to go to lunch, put in a quick code, put it in again, and it's locked. Notice somebody else can sign you out if they need to use the board, but you can click on unlock and unlock it and you're back to where you were. Also added in this particular one is a widget. Do a long hold, search through the widgets, but underneath the whiteboard widget, you'll see all different configurations of different whiteboard icons. I'm going to put the 2x2 in. I'm going to click on whiteboard from the widget, and now I have a lot of options. But as I write on this, it's actually saving it as a Lumio file because I clicked on the widget whiteboard. But also in this particular version, you'll notice I can start a new whiteboard, just saves on my board. I can start a new Lumio file, or I can do one from the files library. Now let's check that out. We're going to go into my Lumio file because I started it from the widget, and there it is in the top left. I can star it, and now those stars actually will save into my favorites. So you'll see it over there on the favorites. Those are just some wonderful things with the new update. See your Ed Tech Coach if you need more information.